Today, the development and modernization of software applications are done manually. Let us show you how our service can modernize legacy applications supported by automated systems and processes. At the end, your applications will be fully operational in the cloud while minimizing the investment of time and cost for your organization in the modernization process. Let's now have a look at how our service works. For this example, we are going to take a legacy system, a human resources administration database, developed originally in Oracle Forms. It will show the modernization process of a screen, in which the employees of a company are managed. As input for the process, we are going to use its source XML code. Our ink technology, which interprets the source code in XML, performs the analysis of the employee screen and identifies all its fields. It also identifies the business logic or business drivers and parameters associated with the screen. At the end, our tool shows which elements had a successful interpretation and which ones did not. The results generated by our ink technology are uploaded into our PIN platform. The platform manages the business information, in addition to the software components of the modernized application. Let's have a look at how from PIN, we generate the updated employee administration screen that will run in the cloud. PIN is our proprietary technology that modernizes most of the components of a legacy system in a matter of minutes. With the information previously loaded from the ink tool, PIN has the necessary specifications for the new screen that is going to be modernized. We can now generate the new employee management screen in a service architecture and validate its functionality against the original one. We are able to modify the functionality, add code to support cybersecurity measures, and review the technical debt of the new screen. Based on the specification of the screen that we have in the PIN platform, we can make any modifications to its functionality. For example, we can make visible a field that is in the database but was not shown on the original screen. We validate that these modifications operate correctly. With our PIN technology, we can modernize the existing application and at the same time solve technical debt problems or add new requirements. This translates into significant savings in time and money for the company. Let's now have a look at how the code automatically generated by PIN can also support a robust testing protocol. The maintenance of the application is critical, as is to be able to capture the errors that are generated during the client's actual operations of the software. Another useful process is to record the application's actual operations to be later used as system test scenarios. Our PIN technology generates each screen of the system with a functionality that allows it to support these needs. By activating the optional recording functionality, our platform captures each action that the user performs on the screen. This information is then recorded in a file that can later be used to run the transaction again. If the screen does not work as intended during use, we can utilize the recording to ensure that, once the error is rectified, the transaction is executed correctly. From our proprietary platform PIN, the different options of the new application are managed, and their structure into menus and submenus is defined. The modernized screen is displayed in any of the customer's software environments, either development or production. The application's deployment management is performed using well-known tools like GitLab, allowing for an efficient DevOps workflow environment. Keep in mind that we can accompany you throughout the entire process by supporting and managing your application during ongoing operations. Our service enables a reduction of between 60 to 70% of the development and testing personnel directly related to the creation and maintenance of the software. Depending on the architecture of the application, with our technology, PIN, it can be possible to automatically generate up to 70% of the code of your new application. With our services and proprietary technologies, you can reduce the testing times of your applications from weeks to days and ensure the quality of the software delivered to your end users.